All right, guys, my name's Rob. We're here at Cookeville RV Marine, and this 18.2 No Boundaries has just dropped off. We're going to take you through it, do a little walkthrough, so let's check it out. So we're on the front cap of this NOBO. The 18.2 is really nice. To give you a window, you got LED lights up on top. Everything about NOBO is about easy, and so one thing that's easy is they put a battery disconnect up front. Really easy to get to, easy accessible. You get a power tongue jack, 20-pound propane tanks. These NOBOs look really nice, guys. Let's check out the rest of it. Coming down the camping side of NOBO, this is an 18-foot camper, and you're going to get a pass-through that goes all the way across. Something you don't see in a lot of 18-foot campers. NOBO gives you a big storage spot. Of course, you're seeing the grill and griddle top. Got a vacuum hose kit in here. That's right, an intervac system on this NOBO. Outside grill table hooked up. That's what this rail's for. Those grills, the grill and the table hooked up side by side. Got a quick connect. It's going to run off of your front propane tanks. No need into carrying that tank all the way around with you. You got a window. One thing really cool about this window is this window actually opens up. Goes up pretty high. It's on struts. All right. One thing that's really cool is to be able to open the window from the outside, and you can on this one. Of course, you can see it's got LED light and a white porch light. One thing really cool about a NOBO's porch light is you can see it's white right now, but it also does yellow. So whether you want that bug light or you want the bright flood light, you can do either one on this guy. Something you can't do on a lot of campers. Of course, we get our outlets and our hookup for our water hose over here. One thing really cool is to be able to spray your feet off before you go in. You can on this camper. It's really neat. Let's check out the rest of it. So on the off-door side of the camper, of course, you can see the other side of this giant pass-through for this 18-foot camper. That's an amazing storage space for you. Your water hookups are going to be in the front with your gravity fill for your freshwater tank and your city water hookup. Of course, drains for that city water hookup, or the freshwater tank rather, is underneath the front there. Coming on the back side back here, of course, you've got your furnace vents, your power hookups back here. We do have a cable satellite hookup for you. Black tank flush, it's important to have black tank flushes on campers. Pretty much all NOBOs come with black tank flushes. You're going to have one black, one gray on this model, and easy accessible one hookup for those tanks, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about multiple hookups. We do have sewer hose hookup, or sewer hose carrying bumper in this model. You get a full-size spare tire. You get a backup camera prep with your vent there for your hood vent. And then, of course, you get a 6-gallon electric propane hot water heater on this model. So coming in to this 18.2, you can see you've got all your light controls right here, your awning controls on the side. The red one here is your awning lights, LED, but this is your porch light. And remember I said you could do white or yellow. So up right now it's in the white mode, middle is of course off, and down is making that a yellow light outside, which is really neat. Interior lights are either on or off. One thing really cool about this one though is all of these lights have little push buttons. So yes, they're all coming on with a switch, but if you don't want them all on, you can turn the individual lights out. They give you a bottle opener and a couple little coat hooks right here. Now this switch here is for your underglow over your sewer tank hookups. Really cool to have that little night light there if you're going to have to dump your tanks at night. Gives you a little light to do it by. That's what that switch there does. On the other side, coming in, of course, you're going to see you have a rear kitchen in this model. The rear kitchen's really nice because it kind of gives you space to come in, load everything, unload everything, take everything outside with you really easy. You can see the sink's really nice. So you get a farmhouse style sink with a suds container, comes with a cutting board and a little sink strainer with a little waterfall there. You can wash your vegetables, a vegetable wash there, pump soap dispenser, automatic sink drain close, and then a pull down sprayer. Really nice sink setup for you there. You can see you got blackout shades on all your windows. So whether you want to look at the campground or you don't want anybody looking at you, you can do that. 2-burner stove top with the blue decorative lights on there. And then one thing really nice, you're not going to see an oven in this unit, but they go ahead and give you a convection air fry microwave combo. So whether you're air frying, baking, roasting, you can do it all in this microwave. It takes the place of that oven for you. Really nice setup in this unit back here. We're in the bathroom back here by the kitchen, and you can see you've got a lot of controls over here. So of course we have a light switch control. You have a switch for all 3 heaters. So it has tank heaters on your gray, your black, and your freshwater tank. Also your water pump switch, and your water tank heater. Your heater switch is over here for your water heater. Really nice gauges are all there. Really nice little setup spot for all of those gauges in this bathroom. Of course, we're going to have a foot flush toilet, little vanity there for you, shower. Pretty good sized shower for the bathroom, really, in this 18.2 as well. So coming around, before we get into the living room area, your fridge is right here, right around the corner. Now, one thing really nice about this fridge is it is a 12-volt fridge freezer combo, which is nice on a NOBO because you've already got that solar. The solar is going to be able to run this fridge going down the road. Something that's going to be easy to travel with. You don't have to worry about propane or anything like that. Your thermostat for your air conditioner and heat's right across from the fridge. And then down below the fridge is your central vac system with a floor sweeper. So you do have the floor sweeper, you do have the hose hooks up. That's where your bags change. You've got your fuse and breaker panels there. But as we come on down into the living room, dining room area, so you see you've got this, well, you've got these bar stools over here to sit in front of this guy, which is real nice because you have this huge window overlooking the camping side. Now, one thing really neat, I showed you outside that the window opens, but you have the blackout shades, you have a day shade. So whether you need a little light blocked or all the light blocked or none of it blocked, you have a huge window to look out while you're eating here. I think that's a really nice feature because also right beside of it, your TV. Now, across from this window and this TV is your couch where you're going to sit. So you can see you don't have a true dinette in this. So because of that, they give you these little wing tables to eat by. Now, these are little cup holder wing tables, and they give you the cup holder in it, but they're easy to take out and just stow away. And use it as just a couch. You still have the cup holder, which is something else about this is it's going to make you a spare bed if you need it to. Really nice little seating area for you. In the front is your bed. Now, one thing cool about a little 18-foot camper is that you get a queen bed up here. And you can see that I've got the shade down, and it's got little clips that hold the shade to the wall, which is important. So if it didn't have those clips, it'll just be dangling in front of you. So I like that they give you clips that you can actually pull the awning away from the bed area and keep that sunlight blocked out. Now, what's really cool is you get a cabinet, and you can see it's got a built-in LED light in that cabinet. So that switch is actually behind the cabinet back there. You can turn that light on and off. So if you don't want it on, you can turn it off, but I think it makes for a really nice light, especially at night in here. Push button lights overhead in your bed area. You can see you got a emergency exit window in this unit. Have to put those in, right? But one thing cool about this emergency exit window is that it still is a window that can vent air for you. So if you're laying in bed, you want that fresh air, you can do that in this guy. Really nice. So, and right below the window, of course, we get plug-ins, USBs, which is really nice because everybody's going to have their phone in the bed, right? So you can have that charging ports there for you as well. Lots of storage in this camper, stuff we haven't showed you, but look, these cabinets underneath. I mean, you're going to have storage, enough room to put big items under here. So if the front storage pass-through wasn't enough for you, you have big cabinets underneath with, look at that, soft flows. You get the same cabinet over here. You've got cabinets underneath your bar area. You've got big pantry beside your couch here. So just lots of storage in this 18.2. All right, guys, so if you're interested in this NOBO 18.2 or any other NOBO or other camper for that matter, give us a call, shoot us a text, visit us online at cookeville RV.com. Don't forget to like and share.